And so this is the Romeo1Pro red dot sight. As you can see, this is specifically designed for the Sig Sauer M18 P320 model. As you can see, this is the gun. It's all clear, nothing in the chamber, no magazine. Don't need an adapter plate for it. And also this is the same footprint as the Leupold Delta Point Pro. So, but that's a little more expensive than this one, and that's the reason, probably the main reason for me to go with the Sig brand. So, and I'm not going to do any tactical, activity on this gun anyway. It's just me going to the range, etc., and that's about it. So I don't really mind the quality. Actually, it is a high quality. If you're going to ask me, there's a high quality optics. So that being said, let's talk about what came with inside the box. As you can see, the red dot sight is included. Obviously, that's the main, the heart and soul of this item. The metallic shroud, this is actually stainless steel with coating on it. It's black. It comes with a cleaning cloth, obviously with a manual, and it's nice that they included the tool flathead is to tighten or maybe loosen the battery compartment right there, so it's actually fit right there. And the smaller one, which is this piece, you can actually rotate it, and it's also nice because it has a battery compartment just in case you need an extra one and bring it with you. And this little piece or little flathead is used to adjust your windage and your elevation. So, and they put a hole in it so you can include this into your keychain. So very nice touch of the design. So, and it comes with the torque screws right here. I'm gonna remove that. That's gonna be the mounting screws for the sights. And of course, last but not least, it comes with, it is a shroud where you can actually, well, obviously it's gonna fit, but let me just demonstrate how it's gonna fit in. So there you go. All right, so what we're gonna do today is to remove the cover plate on this Sig M18, which is this, and this is being held up by one or two screws right there. Let's go ahead and dismantle this slide so we can take a look what's underneath this slide. Spring-loaded extractor, slide down the cover plate, and that striker assembly should get right off. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So just press into it, slide this out. Hopefully you can do that easily. Yeah, there we go. It's not gonna jump right off or anything like that, anything crazy. So it's just holding down the striker assembly right there. So let's slide it out. This is the striker assembly. And by the way, removing this assembly, including the extractor, this might come off, and that should be fine. It goes in one direction only, so there's an orientation, and it's easy to put back on just in case it pops right out. So, but before that, we need to remove the foil spring, the barrel, and it should be easy. There we go, and there's the barrel. There we go. There you have it, and let's slide this striker assembly out. Now, slide this extractor out. And also there's an orientation for this extractor. As you can see, there should be a bevel portion here, just to show you the orientation. It's facing inwards. facing into the slide. But anyway, it's not going to go in the other way around, so there's only one way to get that into the slot. All right, let me get my Allen key to get that those two screws out there. All right, here goes my Allen, and it appears to be a 3/32 size. It seems to be a 3/32 if I'm not mistaken, or maybe not. Maybe I'm mistaken. Let's see. No, it's not. It is right. So it's a 3/32 Allen. There we go. It's easy. It's not that hard. And I think this is being held on by a Loctite, the blue one. Let's see. Because this screw, the mounting screw, has the blue Loctite on them. I'm not sure of this one, if I haven't seen this, to be honest. So let's see if it comes with the Loctite already. So make sure you hold this down, or just keep holding the plate down, so, and that should do it. There you have it, and see, I'm still holding on the plate just to make sure that this one will not come off, and just lift it out easily and carefully. There we go. That is, it's spring loaded, so make sure you don't really let go of it. So let's go ahead and do the mounting. This is the obviously you have to, don't forget to put in the shroud, because you're going to need it, definitely. All you have to do is just mount it. There you go, with two screws on it. I don't have any torque wrench or that can go down to that 2.5 foot-pounds of torque, so I'll just, you know, get a feel for it. It should be okay. I got this. All right, but there you go. Let me just put this down for now while I take the screws out. Oops. There we go. Just line it up on the holes, but it should be easy. It's just two screws into two holes. I'm just gonna put it down for now. I'm not gonna tighten it up yet. Just want to make sure that this little thing, the chamber loaded indicator, or loaded chamber indicator, does not come off. This is tough to get. Let me grab something. Maybe a pair of scissors. There we go. Yeah, it has a blue Loctite on the thread, as you can see there. And it should go into the other slot, or hole, whatever you want to call that. It's nice that Sig already included this torque screwdriver. All right. Now to tighten it up a little bit. Not too tight. It's only 2 foot-pounds of torque, or 30 foot-pound, 30 inch-pounds. So I'll just feel it, okay? Anyway, this is exposed, so just in case it gets loose, I can tighten it down quickly. So that should do it. Now we have to reinstall everything back on. Goes in one way only, and this would be the way. Or you can take a photo before and after, or before you actually dismantle it, and it goes right into that slot. There we go. Did I put that on? Yeah, I believe so. Nope, it's the other way. Sorry. Okay, that's the orientation that you want it to be put back on, and then slide in the extractor. Like I said, it should be facing backwards. By backwards, in the orientation or in the manner that I'm holding the slide right now. So it should be facing inwards. And you can see it from this hole. You can peep right through it, see if that's fitting into it. Yeah, there you go. You can see it, and once you see it, then move on to the next step, which is the striker assembly. Slide it back in. Now you got to push it a little bit, because you're going to need to push it down a little bit in order for you to slide this back on. So sliding this back on, let me see if I could zoom in so we can focus on that. There we go. So you got to press this in. I know if your finger is actually too huge or too large, you might have to use a different tool that would fit this opening. So don't slide it all the way through, because you're going to need to push this down, the extractor down here. Then you can lock it into place. So I'm going to use again this puncher, or whatever you want to call this. Slide it in, release it. That's it. Simple, right? And now put the barrel back on, and the coil spring. There we go. Keep this for future use. Now, keep in mind the side does not co-witness with the iron sight, so you just have to zero it in. And this is the shroud, the cover shroud. It's there to protect the lens, or the sight, the red dot sight. Install it back on just to slide it back into its place. Now let's do it the other side so you can see what's going on here. Slide it in to its place. Hold it. There we go. And release the slide. Zoom out. There we go. That's the side. Now the battery, I did not talk about the battery. It's already in, before this video I already installed it inside. So all you got to do, press either of those two buttons there to turn it on. Takes about 2 seconds. And let's see, there we go. That's a 6 MOA with the brightness level to about 50% right now. All right, and that's about it. That's how to install the Romeo1Pro on a Sig M18 or P320 pistol. All right, hope you liked the video. Till the next one.